Welcome to Shine Seating, your auto seating plan, and this is the CSRV version. And in this version, it's a very simple template for schools. This is the home page, and here first thing you have to do is put the hall design. So enter the hall numbers. It can accommodate 31 halls. If you want more than that, we can do it. And enter the class names, the session names 10A, 10B, 10C. You can enter as you like, how much you want. We can increase that. You can contact us. Then go to home page and then go to students name entry and enter the name of students and their roll number and the classes 10A, 10B, anything. It may be you have to select it. So this is the thing you have to do from your side. And after that, go to the user corner and there start, enter the school name, date, and next, press next, and then here already it's entered. I will show you. The thing we have to enter is this place. So everything is gone. Now I am just selecting here. I am selecting 10A. You can see there 10A. From here it has 22 students remaining. Only 7 is allotted. So I am selecting 10A. And 15 students are seated here in row 1, row 1, row 1. 15 students came. Here also I can change the count. If I want six students in this row, I can do it 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since there is no 6 students because already only 15 students are there. So if I put 3, just see, only 3 are seated here. That's how it says, and it shows reduce students from row 1. So row 1 there is extra 2 students, you have to reduce them. If I put those 2 here, the 7, then it gone. Row 1 is full, it's completely filled. So then in next I select 11A, and see here it's in row 3, and in row 2 I allocate 12A. Yeah, 12A, the students are filled inside. This is how you can do for every halls, and when you do it, these things are updated automatically. And this is a very basic version. Go to the home page. It has only one option, seating plan. If you want more option in this, you can do it. And the version for that is Law College. There is other version which is updated. It has the overall seating and attendance plan. That is the law version. You can text us directly.